In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer crypto from Binance over to Trust Wallet. Now this is very easy, very simple, so follow along with the video and I'll show you everything that you need to do. So for the video's sake, I'm using Binance on the computer, but this is equally as easy on the app, and it's basically the same thing, it's just in different places on the app. But what you want to do, you want to go to your wallet and then go to fiat and spot. And first you need to make a decision, what crypto am I going to transfer over to Trust Wallet? Now some cryptos are going to have higher fees than others, so you might have to think about that when you're transferring cryptos, but just think about which one you want to send. Now for the video I'll show BNB as an example. So here on Binance it's going to show me how much BNB I've got, and what I want to do is I want to go ahead and click on withdraw, because we're withdrawing it from Binance. We are going to withdraw to a new address, so if you've never withdrawn before, click on new address. And what we need to do now, we need to find our Trust Wallet address. So to do that, I'm going to open the app on my phone. Okay, so I've got my Trust Wallet app open on my phone. Yours is going to look something similar to mine. Now because we're transferring BNB, what we need to do, we need to scroll down and find BNB. We can then click on that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to then click on receive. Then we can get our BNB address. So I'm going to click copy here. And I've now copied this address. And now essentially what I need to do is I need to get this address onto my computer. Now you could just send it to yourself on Facebook, maybe send yourself an email, or anything really just to get this address onto your computer. I've just put it into my Trello board, which just syncs through the computer. But yeah, what you want to do is you want to get this address onto your computer. The best way really, send it yourself on Facebook or send yourself an email. Okay, so now we've got that address. What we want to do is paste it in here, and Binance is going to recognize that it's a BNB address. It's just going to give you a warning here. Just don't enter in your address wrong, confirm that, and you can see that it's on the BNB Binance chain network, which is what we want. I'm not going to send a memo because you don't need to. And now what you need to do is enter in the withdrawal amount. So the minimum is 0.01. I'm going to change it to 0.02. And it's going to then give you a fee. This is the fee to send BNB off of Binance, including the network fee for BNB. If you're happy with all of that, you can then just click on withdraw. Now personally, I'm not going to do that because I don't want 0.02 BNB in my Trust Wallet. If you did though, all you would do is you would click on withdraw. You can then confirm it with your phone. It might ask you to verify it. Then that transaction will be sent and you will then receive your BNB inside of your Trust Wallet. Now it really is that simple. If that video helped, please do leave a like and watch this video here if it interests you, and also subscribe for more crypto tutorials.